Hurricane Hilary 2023 last modified, 3 o'clock August 20, 2023 UTC. Preparations for flooding impacts associated with Hilary should be completed as soon as possible, as heavy rainfall will begin well in advance of the center. In the southwestern United States, the potentially historic amount of rainfall is expected to cause flash, urban, and arroyo flooding, including landslides, mudslides, and debris flows. Dangerous to locally catastrophic flooding impacts are expected early Sunday through early Monday. Hurricane conditions are expected along the west-central coast of the Baja California Peninsula within the hurricane warning area tonight and Sunday morning, and are possible in the hurricane watch area on Sunday. Tropical storm conditions are expected to begin Sunday in portions of the southwestern U.S. within the tropical storm warning area. Winds could be particularly strong and gusty in and near areas of higher terrain. Gusty winds are expected to spread well inland across the western United States. Large swells generated by Hilary will affect portions of the Baja California Peninsula and Southern California over the next couple of days. These swells are likely to cause life-threatening surf and rip current conditions. Hilary's cloud pattern has continued to gradually decay this evening. The eye is no longer discernible and the convective cloud tops have warmed near the center. However, there are plenty of curved bands around the circulation, and these continue to spread well northward into the Baja California Peninsula. Subjective and objective satellite intensity estimates have continued to decrease, and the initial intensity has been reduced to 90 miles per hour, 80 knots. Another Air Force Reserve reconnaissance mission is scheduled overnight, which should provide better information about the structure and intensity of the cyclone. The initial motion estimate is north-northwestward or 345/15 knots. The flow between a strong mid-level ridge over the south-central United States and a mid to upper-level low over off the central coast of California will steer Hilary north-northwestward at an increasingly faster pace during the next 12 to 24 hours. This will bring the center of Hilary near the west-central coast of the Baja California Peninsula late tonight or early Sunday and into Southern California by late Sunday afternoon. The NHC track forecast is again very similar to the previous advisory and lies near the middle of the tightly clustered guidance envelope. Users are reminded that the exact details of the track forecast, including where Hilary might make landfall, are of little overall importance since strong winds and heavy rainfall will extend far from the center. These hazards are already spreading northward over the Baja California Peninsula well in advance of the arrival of the center. Cooler waters, drier air, and increasing vertical wind will continue to cause a decrease in intensity as Hilary moves northward. However, the cyclone is expected to still be a hurricane when it moves near or over the west-central coast of the Baja California Peninsula overnight, and confidence remains high that Hilary will move into Southern California as a tropical storm.